Okay, so we've got most of this project completed. This is the trailer kind of back intact. Gates up. The innards are in there kind of loose. And I'm going to show the operation. It still has a problem where it could tilt back if the load's too high and heavy. As long as the load's low and heavy, it should work pretty decently. So I'm going to turn this over to my daughter. If you can film me. All right, so we're going to say there's a load in here. I'm usually really tired by the time I get to the dump, so I have the option to take the tailgate off, but a lot of times I'll just leave the tailgate on and just try to get everything over there. So the trick will be to keep this close. The battery can be in the back of the truck. For the purpose of this, this will be like close. Make sure you don't get your wires crossed. Those pictures. Okay, that goes in like that. Battery be in the back of the truck, I guess, or you could even tie into the battery of the truck if you wanted. Right here. So now I'm ready to go. Right there. From here, I'm going to shovel everything out. Hopefully, I didn't get too dirty here. I may have to start and stop this depending on load. Okay, so now I've got my dump out. I need to reset everything. That's one thing you got to be careful for. There's a lot of weight in the back now. I'm estimating it's probably about 200 pounds extra weight. Not terribly heavy, but heavy enough. The reset's fairly easy. All things considered. Just attach this to the back. Now it's time to reset everything so I can get back out of here. Snagging on everything.
Ready for the next load.
Thanks.